McDonald's? Baby, we have food here. McDonald's isn't even healthy, Suki. Alright, prove it.
Is it possible to make fast food healthy? Let's find out.
First place we're going is Starbucks. You already know I had to bring the Suki dog. Suki's here. To be honest, I'm not even really a big fan of Starbucks. I saw something once that was like, Starbucks food tastes like 3D printed food. And yeah, that really makes sense. Hey, it's better than Dunkin' though. If you like Dunkin', if you prefer that over Starbucks, I'm sorry. I'm just sorry. Let's go to Starbucks, see what we can get. I thought I was recording, and I wasn't, but I ordered some egg white bites, spinach, feta, egg white wrap, and a black iced coffee. That is probably the healthiest thing you get here. If y'all disagree, let me know in the comments. What do you think, Sook? What do you think about all this? All right, kids, let's see how it is. This one 100% looks like it was 3D printed. These actually look good. I'm excited for these. Egg white bite coming up. Sorry, pumpkin, you're in the way. That actually slaps. That freaking slaps. That shit slaps. Let's try this one now. I'm kind of scared. Oh, okay. Hold on. Okay, wait. That actually slaps too. That shit slaps. Oh my god. This is actually so freaking good for being the healthiest thing on the menu. It's definitely the best tasting. Wow. That is so good. Who said that eating healthy doesn't taste good? Because they were wrong. Now let's try the coffee. I already had the coffee a million times, so I know how it tastes, but I'm gonna eat this up now, let you know how I feel afterwards. Okay, I actually feel really good after that meal. I was expecting to feel kind of like bloated and not the best, but we're feeling pretty light and ready to go to the gym. So let's see how that meal is going to affect my workout today. Let's see if I have a good workout or a not so good workout. Food number 2 is going to be Del Taco. If y'all have ever heard of it, last time I had it, I hated it. I absolutely hated it. But I refuse to go to Taco Bell. That was my first ever job and I'm scarred for life. So we're gonna do some Del Taco instead. Hopefully it's better than the first time. Could I get a chicken salad with no sour cream and no cheese, please? Thank you. The bag is acquired. Time to try this out. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this does not look good in the slightest. It does not look appetizing, and I'm worried. Here we go. Let's try it out. It's not terrible. Nothing compared to the Starbucks this morning though. But hey man, for 421 calories, actually this is probably less than 421 calories because I got it without the sour cream and without the cheese. It's honestly so much better though than getting a cheeseburger and just feeling like absolute afterwards. So I'll take it, man. This video is a little harder than I expected, okay? Because you know, it's starting to get towards that time to eat dinner. I don't know what to eat, man. The options are looking pretty bleak. There's McDonald's, which I despise McDonald's. We've got Raising Cane, Popeyes, Chick-fil-A. All of these are a no for me, dog. Burger King, it's all a no. I can't do that to myself and my mental health. It won't be good. I don't know if this is technically cheating, but I'm just gonna show you guys my meal from Urbane Cafe because it is one of the healthier fast food options. Oh my god, look at this salmon bowl. Does it not look absolutely freaking spectacular? It is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is the final meal and it looks amazing. I hope you babies now have a better understanding of what to eat at fast food restaurants if you're trying to eat healthy. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button to join the Swole Squad, baby. I will see you guys on the next one. Have a good ass day.
How to get my weight up, yeah. Weight in the cake up, yeah. Turn up in the gym, know I'm calling Mama Swole. Bad little shawty and you know I'm on a roll.
Press like an empress, know what to impress with. Find me on the guest list. Got that Louis V necklace. Subscribe to the Mama Swole channel. Even if your name is Randall. Got it lit like a candle. Catch me swerving in the Lambo.